Right, people, so I'm gonna throttle again, and now this time the screen is just there, but I would like to show you how it looks like with the traffic, and if you can feel the speed yourself. I'll be using throttling, and I'm just waiting for the traffic to clear out. The traffic is clear. Here I go. Moving up. It's going up the hill at the moment. It's going up the hill. Going up the hill, nice and smooth. There you go. Hitting 40 kilometers up the hill. This is up the hill. Okay, so I'm going up the hill with a maximum speed of 35 kilometers per hour, and it's up the hill. Well, this bike has got some power. I can tell you that, I can assure you that it has got some serious power. There you go, going up the hill, 40 kilometers per hour. I might hit the camera, you see. There was a speed camera. I was just worried that I might hit the speed camera. Okay, so I'm gonna go down the hill again. If you bear with me, I'm gonna cross the traffic light. There you go. So once more, this time I will try and move the camera down so you can see the speed, and then up again so you can see the road. Let's just let the traffic pass by first before we hit the road. There you go. Here you go. I'm using the throttle. That's how it looks like when you are going on a bike with 56 kilometers per hour. There you go. At the moment it's on 50, 52, 56. Ooh. You know, it gets scary at times, the way it speeds up. Wow. I'm slowing down as there is a car. Speeding up again. You may see the speed by yourself now. It's in 40s. And it's in 50s now again. There you go. I went up to 56 kilometers per hour at one stage. There you go. Hitting the speed now, like a car. Like a car. This is pure throttle, no pedal assistance, pure throttle. Slowing down now. Using the brakes, trying to hit the brakes. There we go. So people, I hope you must have enjoyed the video. and hope this is what you expected it to run with that speed. Thanks for watching.